Hey there, I've got 6 steps to start rebuilding your credit. First, pay your bills on time. If you have past due accounts, get them current. You can work smarter, not harder, by setting up automatic payments or reminders to keep you on time moving forward. Second, always consider your credit utilization ratio. Keep credit card balances low or zeroed and consider the risk of closing accounts. One less account means less available credit that can impact your credit utilization ratio. Next, if traditional loans or credit aren't in the cards for you, consider opening a secured account, like a secured credit card. It could help build positive credit history, and it might be easier for you to get approved. If you have family and friends that love you, and I mean really love you, another option may be leaning on them for help. They can help you build credit by making you an authorized user on their credit account, opening a joint account with you, or acting as a co-signer to get you a loan you wouldn't typically qualify for. Just make sure they're good with credit and in good standing. Fifth, be careful with new credit. Opening or even just applying for new credit cards can affect your credit, and while increasing your amount of available credit can be good, not having the self-discipline or ability to pay off your bills at the end of the month, not good. Last, never be afraid to ask for help. If you're struggling, look into things like credit counseling, a debt management plan, or debt consolidation. If you want to learn more, head over to the Ask Experian blog for even more tips and info.